Hello everyone, I'm Ramon and this is Ramon at Home. Welcome back you guys. I could not be more excited for you to be here on this video because I get to show you what the studio looks like all decorated for Christmas. Right behind this sheet there's a full transformation that I've been working on, and I just want to invite you to stay tuned to see what this studio looks like, and let me tell you, I think you will like it. This is where we're gonna record all of our videos and I could not be more excited. If you guys saw the last video, I show you how to make a beautiful wreath with 3 different ribbons, and if you haven't seen that, I'm gonna link it up on the iCard so you can check it out. Well, that's right behind me. So if you're new to this channel, please consider subscribing, and if you already subscribed, don't forget to turn that notification bell on. And now is more important than ever because we have the live premieres where I'll post a video and we get to chat live, but if you don't have the notification bell on, you will not be invited to the live chat. So before I show you what this looks like, let's go watch from the very beginning. Alright you guys, it is time to get this transformation going. I want to show you one more time. The source of inspiration was this little nutcracker with his sequins outfit, and I'm so excited because the paint that we chose was between this red one right here and this green one right here. So I asked you to help me pick, and I actually went with red. So we're gonna paint this wall red. There's going to be a window hanging from it, and there's gonna be a wreath involved. There's going to be all these packages that we're going to wrap. But let me get going with the paint and I will be back with you in 1 second to show you what the color looks like. I absolutely love the shade of red. It's so Christmassy and it's going to look so pretty with winter greens and lights. I cannot wait to get started. Alright, so as you can see, the wall behind me is done, the first coat. I'm gonna have to give it a second coat because it's very streaky and I don't really want it to look like that. It's still pretty fresh, so I have to let it dry completely before I apply the second coat. But while that happens, I have all these boxes that I have to put together. I have to reassemble them, and there's different various sizes and shapes, and I have to hand wrap all of these boxes, you guys. Because, well, I can tell you why, but I chose about 5 different wrapping papers for Christmas, and they're gonna play a big part on the studio. So let me get these boxes done, all shaped up and wrapped, and we'll talk in a minute. Alright you guys, this is the end of day number 1 of the studio transformation for Christmas. I have to stop right here because I have to make dinner. I did 2 coats of paint. I put together so many boxes that I still have to gift wrap for Christmas, but I think we'll do that on day number 2. So let me get some rest and I'll be right back with you guys. Alright you guys, it's day number 2 and I have to wrap all of these boxes behind me. Let me show you how I got those boxes to begin with. Alright you guys, if you wonder where I got all these boxes from, every day from work I would leave work and bring at least 5 boxes that we get. So I know people look at me like I'm a weirdo or like I'm a dumpster diver, but I don't care because this Christmas look has to get done, and this is the price I have to pay. I'm sure people thought that I was dumpster diving, but I don't care because this needs to get done, like I said on that little clip. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and grab 1 package at a time, and I'll already lay them how I want them to be. So I have to go now down, tear it down, and wrap them all. I have this green paper, I have this red paper with green, and then I also have this other red paper. I have a pattern that I want to go with, so I'm going to do 1 on this side, 1 on that side, and put them back where they need to go so that way I don't lose the pattern. So let's get started. I'm sure you guys know how to gift wrap a package, so I'm not going to give you any special instructions, but I do want to talk to you while I do it because I love gift wrapping presents. I think it's one of my favorite things to do for the holiday season because, well, I love giving, so I actually like giving more than receiving. One down, 100 go. So far so good, right? And before I show you the full reveal, I want to take you back to last year's projects, and I want to share with you my top 5 projects from last year's Christmas season that I've made, starting with a beautiful frosty wreath. It was so pretty, it was so glam, and I think a lot of you liked it. So I'm gonna show you a little clip right now. Attach the bigger balls first, and what I'm going to do, so I'm gonna add just a circle of glue right here. Then I'm gonna spot a place and I'm gonna put it down. Because we only have 3 of these bigger ornaments, you wanna make sure that you do them on a triangular motion. So there's one right here. We're gonna put one on the top right here, and then I'm gonna add one up here. If you guys want to see more of these videos, please just give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to share with your friends so they know how to properly make wreaths. Alright guys, I'm gonna go ahead and attach all the little ornaments. That's gonna be our next step. And I do like to take that little cap. I've always have. I'm just gonna randomly place them. We're gonna do it really quick, you guys. This is a project that will take you no longer than 20 minutes, and it's less than $30 if you buy all of your materials at the Dollar Tree. As you guys can see, that wreath was absolutely stunning and on a budget. Most of those items came from the Dollar Tree store, you guys. You can replicate that look for a fraction of the cost of what would you pay in a regular retail store. But my second favorite project from last year was a centerpiece that I actually made recycling some of those products. Let's watch. You glue where you ripped off. That's where you want to put the glue so you don't see all of that where you pull from the wreath. So we'll make sure, go ahead and put enough of this glue on it, and just randomly place them throughout the arrangement to give it some interest. Like that one is up, this one's down. And what I want to do and mention is that when you put stuff on the ends of your bouquets, you want to make sure you repeat it so it has a cohesive feel to it. So I'm going to put this guy right here. You guys can see there's a star right here, there will be a star right here, and then we'll put this last snowflake on the top to mimic that one over here. I'm gonna go ahead and stick that guy right there like that. Alright, make sure that one stays. And the last thing I'll add is this snowed or flocked branches that I found at the Dollar Tree. This project is going to be less than $30, including the candlesticks that I found at the Goodwill store for 99 cents each. Sometimes it's hard to keep going to find some great deals. Now when I made that centerpiece, a lot of you were heartbroken that I actually had to take the wreath apart, but that was just to show you that you can recycle some of the things that you might have from years past, and I thought it turned out so beautiful. And if you like that look, you better stay tuned, because we're gonna do a lot of wreaths and projects with that particular theme, which is a frosty glam look, so stay tuned for that. My third favorite project from last year was when I showed you how to make those clusters and the ribbon waves. Let's watch a little clip from it. Ornaments and with really pretty ribbon waves. They I remember my very first tree that I did, actually was my second one, was a tree that I just loaded it with ornaments, and then I did this weave treatment with the ribbon. Oh my god, it was so pretty. Everyone that came through the house just absolutely loved it. And this is what I want to do for this family. I decided that that's the look I want to go with for the family that's gonna get this tree. So that's what I'm gonna give them. So you guys, as you guys can see, this is very simple, but the reason why I do this is because I hate nothing more, well, other than deco mesh, to see really tiny ornaments placed on a big tree, because they don't make a statement. When you cluster your ornaments like I'm doing right now, it makes more of a statement when you place your ornaments. And you will see when I do this tree, I'm not sure we're gonna finish it today, but I probably won't upload it till, well, you guys tell me when. Leave me a comment in the comment section below and let me know when you want to see this tree. I'm gonna do the tree for the family, which will be really glam on a budget. Okay, you guys, as you can see, it was super easy and super affordable, and I'm gonna put a list on the iCard right here with all of the videos so you can watch them back to back, and I really think that you will enjoy them. My fourth favorite project from last year was when I made those urns outside. They were absolutely over the top and beautiful. Let's watch a clip from that. And also tie those to the existing garland on the bottom. to help me cover all of those mechanics. You don't want to really see that bucket in there, so I'm going to make sure that I really cover the front, because that's what our customers see first when they come into the store. So I'm going to go ahead and pull this guy right here, and as you guys can see, they created this topiary effect on our planter. Make sure that you cover all the holes just by tying all of these guys together. And to give this a little bit more of a dimension, I brought some twigs of different evergreen. I believe this is cedar, and I'm just going to put them here on the top to give it a little bit of texture, and just on the top. And I'm only using 4. Alright, so now that we have this our base, and as you guys can see, this is covered, and there's going to be a bow right here in a second. I'm going to keep inserting some of these branches that I have that are snowy branches, and I only want a few. I literally put those urns together in 15 minutes. It was so cold outside, but as you can see, it doesn't matter whether it's high-end or just budget products. You can make something stunning like that for you outdoors. Alright, my final project, of course, was my apartment tour for 2017, decorated for Christmas. Let's watch a clip from that. Alright you guys, I'm so ready to show you my apartment all decorated for Christmas. But before I do that, I'd like to talk to you about the main source of inspiration and the elements that build this year's Christmas look. It all started when I found this tablecloth at a thrift store and I fell in love with it. And I knew that one day it'll be the main source of inspiration for my Christmas decorating, and that year is this year. If you guys thought the last year's look was pretty, I cannot wait to show you all of the projects that we have going on for you this year. Alright, as I said, I'm gonna put that link right here for you guys to watch all of those videos if you like. And with no further ado, help me to count down so we can reveal this year's look. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Merry Christmas! As you guys can see, I picked the color red because I love how red looks with greenery and white. That window behind me really pops, and all of the packages look so Christmassy around that wall. I just absolutely love it. And then all the nutcrackers really help to pull the look together. I absolutely love the way it looks, but I want you to leave me a comment on the comment section below and let me know what you think about this year's Christmas. Also, if you don't follow me on Instagram, I recommend you do, because I post a lot of the behind the scenes when I'm doing this type of makeovers. So go follow me, the links are going to be down below and also on the main page. Christmas is just now getting started, so if you don't follow this channel, I recommend you do and turn that notification bell on. There's going to be so many projects going on in this studio that I cannot wait, and I could not be more excited. 25 days of Christmas starts right now. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and share with a friend so they know about Ramon at Home. And don't forget to subscribe to Ramon at Home for future decorating and Christmas, yes, I said Christmas ideas. I'm so excited. Thank you guys so much for watching. Until next time, bye. Jingle bell, jingle all the way. Hey you, yeah, you, have you subscribed to this channel? I really recommend you do, and hit the notification bell on so you're notified about every single upload. Also follow me on my social media, or just watch more videos right here. Oh, how fun it is to ride.